whereby we shall be looking at how can we identify children with special needs within our learning environment, or at school or in class, while enhancing what we call assessing their functionality. One, it is visual, or one we can talk about is indicators for sensory difficulties, whereby here you shall be looking at visual empowerment. What is visual empowerment? This is a problem with the eyes, where a learner is not positioned to visualize what is being written on a board or given hands-on, given physical, and cannot easily see what is being given or cannot do something that can be done by someone with eyes. Uh, One of the indicators is visual empowerment, and one of is labbing of the eyes. If you see that every time he's keeping on labbing the eyes or having some tears within the eyes, it means that person is having a problem with the visual empowerment. Reading at an angle, when someone, for example, you on a board and have put some essay on the left. Instead of for him focusing on the left, instead we look at the right. Because for him, when he looks at the right, he's seeing the things on the left. So it means that person having a problem with visual empowerment. Another is holding a book too close or too far. When you see a learner is trying to look or bring the book closer to his eyes or putting it far from his eye, it means if it's close, that's why we have a problem. When you look at the vision, you have the problem of short-sighted and long-sighted. So it means that person is having a problem with visual impairment. Another thing is called stumbling or jumping into objects. Every time as he's moving, knocks things. Every time he's moving, he's doing mistakes. And those things which can't be done by someone who's having a problem with the vision. So those are some of the examples of visual empowerment. More, it is difficult in reading some letters. If a learner is having a problem in reading some letters, it means that person is having a problem with visual, is having a visual problem. Next is finding difficult in moving up and downstairs. So if he's having a problem, while others who don't have that problem, for them, they they do what? For them, they don't even face a problem of moving up or downstairs. First, like any other kid, but for him, you see, he's always touching the walls, trying to feel, also not fears, means that person having a problem with visual. Next is difficult in writing offline. When you see a learner as he's trying to write, instead of focusing in the same line, it keeps on going to different lines. It means he's having a problem with the visual. Then, and so on, it is confusing of similar words, repeating of words, recalling to read pencil or paint words, breaking of pencils frequently, and reluctance to draw or write. All those one means if a child is having a reluctance to draw or write, he's trying he's trying to fetch to see where exactly he's supposed to draw, or is focusing what is given on the board to draw. When you look at breaking order, if you still every time he's breaking the pencil, he thinks that this person can't write well, this person is having a problem with the visual. Or is the person do not doing some good thing? As you're trying to draw, he sees that the person is not giving him what is supposed to be done and keeps on breaking the pencil. So repeating over the words, for example, you wrote on the board, when you are telling him to read, let me say you're trying to read um, Friends of Sounds. Let me say Friends of Sounds C, cap, cap, clap, or such examples. You find out that this sound, for example, you have two words, cap and clap. He keeps on reading, clap, clap, clap. Then what of the next word, clap? It means that he's having a problem of visual. Just look at the hearing. Just look at the hearing empowerment, whereby we're hearing empowerment, we shall be looking at the problem of the ears. Some learners have a problem of the ears, so we're going to see what could be what the signs of that the child is having a problem of hearing. We have missing some sounds. When you see that as we're trying to talk, he misses some sounds. Eh? As we're trying to pronounce some word, he's missing some. There's unclear spoken language. If you see, he's stammering in terms of talking. When he's talking, cannot even reflect what we are telling him. He's trying to just what you call